Today I'll be going over search engine marketing. So I'm going to be going over what search engine marketing ads are, examples of some different search engine marketing ads, the difference between search engine marketing and search engine optimization, and I'll also be going over some different places where you can run your search engine marketing ads to basically reach the entire internet who is searching for things. So let's start by going over basically a definition of what is search engine marketing. So it's the process of advertising your website in the search results. So with search engine marketing, you have advertisements in search engines, whereas search engine optimization, your website appears in search engine results pages because you optimized your website, your content to rank high for specific keywords. So when we look at search engine marketing ad platforms, the two major ad platforms are Google Ads and Microsoft Advertising. Now, those aren't really the only two ad platforms, but they basically account for most of the search engine market share on the entire internet. Some examples of ads include Google Search Ads, Shopping Ads, Microsoft Search Ads, Microsoft Product Ads, Amazon Sponsored Ads, and Pinterest Ads. So Amazon is also a search engine. Pinterest is also a search engine. One thing to keep in mind is there are basically search engine marketing ads on YouTube as well. Those are all managed directly through Google's search advertising campaigns for the most part. So if we come over here and we look at a few more examples, let's start in Google. So with Google, if we search swimming pool basketball hoop, you're going to get a ton of different shopping ads up here at the top. So basically anything where there are products for sale, you are going to see shopping ads at the very top of the page or on the right-hand side of the page, depending on what your actual search engine results page looks like. As we scroll down, we have two more search engine marketing ads here, this one by donerightproducts.com and this one by Amazon. Now, as we scroll down here, these are just basically products for sale. These are not search engine marketing ads. These aren't sponsored. You'll see no sponsored label above them. And if we keep scrolling down, this is search engine optimization. So obviously, Amazon, Walmart rank really high in the search results, Home Depot, the Spruce. So this would be a very tough area to actually rank on the first page for this specific search term. Target, very well fit. So this is the first one that we're seeing that isn't basically a massive, massive corporation, but based on their authority score here, it looks like they are still a pretty popular website, if that is accurate up there. So a 75 authority score. So all of these are search engine marketing. And then as you continue to scroll down, now we have another sponsored, so a search engine marketing ad. Now, search engine marketing is also referred to as SEM. So search engine marketing, SEM, same exact thing. Let's look real quick at Microsoft Bing, another fun outdoor product, the in-ground trampoline. So pretty expensive to install an in-ground trampoline. You're going to need thousands of dollars to do it. And I don't think it's very easy to install either. So in-ground trampoline here, you could see ad. This is a Microsoft search ad. These are Microsoft product ads, very similar to Google. You can basically import your campaigns from Microsoft into Google. But you'll see these are all different advertisements. And right here is the very first organic search listing. So you'll see web right here, whereas these other ones have a very small little ad label. So it's hard to kind of tell the difference between both, which leads to a lot of clicks on advertisements in the search results. So see down here, these are all examples of search engine optimization. Even the videos here, search engine optimization. So just going over some of the different search engine marketing ads that you can run and some of the areas you can run them. Now back to search engine market share real quick. If we're just looking at the major search engines, so this doesn't count YouTube, this doesn't count Amazon, doesn't count Pinterest. It's basically search engines for the web. So Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo are the top search engines in the United States. Yandex is based in Russia and Baidu is based in China. So you're probably not going to be running too many ads on Yandex or Baidu for the most part. Now Google has the massive market share. Bing has a much smaller market share, although if you do run Bing ads, you'd be surprised at how much there is actually in terms of search volume. But between Bing also, their ads through the Microsoft advertising platform are run on Yahoo and on DuckDuckGo. So Bing has Yahoo and DuckDuckGo, I believe AOL and maybe a few other search engines as well. Maybe Ask.com. I'm not sure if Google still has them. But more importantly, if you are running search engine marketing ads, Google and Microsoft Advertising are basically the major SEM ad platforms, and they are going to account for pretty much all of the search volume on major website search engines. Now, quickly going over the SEM process. First is set your objective. So sales leads, that's generally the objective that you want to use, but branding and awareness can also be used as well. Now, you don't see that as often with search engine marketing ads because the whole point is to reach people as they're actively searching for something so that you can actually drive somebody to become a new customer for your business. Choose your channel. Basically, Google Ads is where I would always start when it comes to search engine marketing. Set your budget. So just set whatever your monthly budget is and bring it down to whatever that is per day. So you want to set that daily budget. It's very easy to control your budget with search engine marketing ads. You can pause at any time. You can increase budgets. You can decrease budgets. So depending on the results you're seeing, you have a lot of options when it comes to budgeting. So create your landing pages. So you're going to have to create advertisements and send traffic to your landing pages. So you got to make them first if you don't have them already. A lot of people use landing pages on their website, but you should create custom landing pages as well and focus on your conversion rate. Set up conversion tracking as well. So making sure you understand when you are running your budget, what you're actually getting out of that advertising budget. So if you're driving sales on your website, every single sale should be set up as a conversion so you know how many sales you've driven and how much revenue you've driven from those sales. Target keywords. You want to target relevant keywords for your business. I'll go over a little bit more detail about targeting keywords. Create your advertisements. So after you target keywords, you want to create advertisements that are very relevant to your keywords. And then you're ready to launch your campaign test. Now, there are other steps involved in an SEM process. This is a basic overview of search engine marketing. What you want to do, last but not least, after you launch your campaign is optimize and maximize return on ad spend. When I put test here, that means testing the keywords you're targeting, adding new advertisements, testing different landing pages. So those are some of the different things you can test, as well as your overall objective and the channels you're actually using. So this is a basic SEM process you can follow. Now let's come back over here real quick and go over a couple more examples of search engine marketing ads, getting away from the Google and the Bing, going to Amazon.com. If I search for a soccer net and we scroll down here, the top 4 results are all sponsored. They're also all very relevant advertisements. So Amazon has a great advertising program as well, and you'll find that a lot of these sponsored results get the most purchases, and a lot of them have a ton of reviews. So it's not cheap to run ads, especially for lower priced products. And it can be difficult to actually have a positive return on ad spend depending on what your margins are. So don't just think, okay, I'm going to develop products and sell them on Amazon. You basically need to make sure that your cost per goods sold is as low as humanly possible so you can actually return a profit. Now, last but not least, I'm going to go over Pinterest ads real quick. I look up toy storage, scroll down, and we have over here, promoted by Wayfair, Martha Stewart Kids Living and Learning Storage Bench with Shelves Solid. So we keep scrolling down. Storage box, desktop shelf drawer type multi-layer office storage box. So more of an office storage, but still storage nonetheless. And here's another one by IKEA. So little storage cubbies here. So these could also be used for toy storage. So you'll see even over here, promoted by Amazon, same thing, 2-shelf storage cabinet, kids bookshelf. So if we come back over here, what I want to go over real quick before we finish off this video is just the basic looking at the process of search engine marketing if you are running a Google Ads campaign. So assuming you have your conversion tracking set up, we'll come back over here to all my campaigns, and we'll click on, this is a search campaign. So when you go into a search campaign, it's going to pull up all of your ad groups. Your ad groups are used to organize your advertisements based on where you want to send traffic to, based on what you're actually targeting. So if I have an ad group for shark bedding, for example, now this is for beachfrontdecor.com, I have 4 different keywords that I'm targeting in here: shark bedding, shark comforters, shark duvet covers, and shark quilts. And the ads that I'm running for these keywords, when somebody types in these keywords, now I have these paused now, but shark bedding, shark duvet covers, these are responsive search ads. So with responsive search ads, you could actually create up to 15 headlines and 4 description lines, and Google is going to create different ad variations until they find the most optimal ad variations for the keywords you're targeting. If we come over here to Google, we search for shark bedding, you'll see at the very top we have shopping ads. Now, shopping ads are targeted much differently, a little bit more advanced than search ads, where you have to actually create a product feed and upload it to the Google Merchant Center and then use that product feed to actually target your advertisements for your shopping ads here. So it's not just something where you upload an image and whatever it is that's here, it's like you need to make sure that you have your shopping feed up to date, inventory stocked, everything like that. Now, if we come down here a little bit, some sponsored results, Pottery Barn Kids and Wayfair. So these are also examples of search engine marketing ads. Let's just look at Wayfair. If we click on shark bedding real quick, sorry for costing you some money, Wayfair, but you'll see some really relevant results here. A great landing page for shark bedding, exactly what people are looking for. Hopefully people come in and buy something. That's the ultimate goal of what Wayfair is trying to do. So I have a page on my website for shark bedding. You can see a bunch of different shark bedding sets for sale. So hopefully people come in here, click on learn more, and that will bring them directly to my Amazon affiliate product. And this page is all geared towards shark bedding. So finishing off our video, what is search engine marketing? It's the process of advertising your website in search results. It's for paying for paid listings in search engine results. It's also called search engine marketing. Basically, Google ads and Microsoft advertising, formerly Bing ads, are the main channels for search engine marketing. So if you want to get started, those are the two to get started with. I will have a tutorial released for search engine marketing, hopefully in the next week or two, going over how to create Google ads and Microsoft advertising campaigns. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave in the comments section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.